welcome back everybody. This is Bear's Rod Shop. We have been kind of neglecting to get out some videos. Got lots going on, trying to get wrapped up on the C3 here, Corvette, and we've already done the pillar post on the right hand side. Today on the left hand side, yesterday afternoon I come over to here, and this pillar post, main frame here, this side of the car had been wrecked. We don't know how serious, but this piece of stainless that belongs on this 76, 77 models had been off drilled. And I don't need to probably go through that. Some body shops, you know, they get at the end, they get in a hurry. And anyhow, it didn't match the outer perimeter stainless that holds the weather belting. So it's kind of threw us for a little slowdown. As you can see inside, we were to already have it all wired and carpeted. Some other things came up here in the shop we had to take care of. But today, let me see if you can see this or not. This windshield is about a quarter of an inch, maybe a little more, off center. I have plenty of room for the number 8 18-pitch little self-drilling screws that belong with the original OEM screws. But this side, I had less than 3/8, so I had to alter every screw so it didn't get in and even touch the glass or come close. I always like to get at least 1/8 of an inch off, not only from heat, expansion and stuff. If it is anywhere closer than 1/8 of an inch to the glass, it will break. So we ended up with making out of a buddy's old fountain pen, good heavy duty one, a stop gauge. So that way we would only drill in there around a quarter of an inch, and then I could hand tap on through with the metal screw after I shortened it. But that being said, FYI, let me turn this around here if we can. And it was good news. Probably my blog, my quarantine quickie, the last one was Pete 222, Tubal Cain, was thinking about retiring, selling off, and got some good news when I watched his video this morning. He has woken up. He's staying with us, staying with family, going to continue. Him being, like he said, he's a hoarder. We don't want to get rid of our equipment and our tools. Not at my age. I'm almost 10 years younger than he is. I'm 67 going 68, and I think he's 76. Got a lot of life left in you, Pete. I hope you're watching my videos, and I know that A-Bomb 79, that interview you had with him in his shop, that was killer. And I'm sure A-Bomb's glad, and all the other people that watch your videos, I see numerous comment after comment, glad that you are staying active and going to keep producing videos. It makes a good day to start with. Of course, we get up first thing in the morning, we do a little reading out of that big old back book, try to keep things straight first. Then I go immediately over to watch old Pete, see what he's coming up with next. I wished I had his energy and his health. You know me, I wished I hadn't been an iron worker, concrete finisher, or construction owner, and I enjoyed the last 28 years doing street rods, and I hope to continue, good Lord willing, at least another 10 years, and then on to Jeeps, as we are already doing that CJ5. Brian over at Metal Shaver, yes, and Matt, we are slowing down a little on that. I don't know if you can see way over behind me or not, but that rack in the background way over there got put up Friday and a Saturday a week ago by the father, the son that owns this Corvette. His father, great carpenter. He's been helping real good on the vet as well. Put me up some racks. We're gonna put up maybe a few more. But now I've got all the CJ5 right where I can keep my eye on them. They won't get misplaced or scattered. So please, again, thumbs up. Come back, subscribe. Sorry we hadn't made any videos lately, and it's getting extremely hot here in Texas. We're starting to go into the hundreds, and it just takes and drains a lot of energy. I've been actually forced to keep the shop here air conditioned as much as we can, but hopefully this will roll out of here. We said 4th July, that's already gone, didn't happen, but we are going to do our best to get this thing done and have a happy owner, and then I can move on with other projects. Again, all you guys and you subscribers, thank you. Please keep sharing. We'll do our best to produce some more videos on a timely manner. Come back and see us. God bless.